when user taps on plus icon, we are taking him to the add students view controller. We also need to pass the information over the school, so that when creating the object of the student, we can also set a student, you are part of so and so school. Okay, let us do that. We are clicking plus icon. Through segue, we are navigating there. How to pass the information through segue we see. Here, we pass the information by using regular way, taking the object of students view control from the storyboard and setting the data. Now through segue, how to pass the information, which we have already seen. Anyways, let us see again. Let us have an identifier here. Add student segue. How to navigate? What are the different methods gets called? Just writing extension here. Add students view controller. Prepare for segue is the method. Prepare for segue is the method. Here I'm taking if let add students view controller equal to segue dot destination as add student view controller. Student view controller add student view controller dot school object will have equal to school. In add students view controller have the same thing, where school is of type school equal to at present empty, optional. Outlets and properties. In students view controller, I'm just doing this perfect. And present, anyways, it is navigating. This is what all we need to do. Add students view controller, which is having a school here. Add student view controller value has no member school. Where did we add that? In the add students, we need this. Okay, and we are creating here, while creating new student dot school, we need to set to school. We need to set here, we need to get a school from the core data with the given user ID, the UID, and set that. Okay, let me do that. In the core data manager, I am asking core data read particular object. Func read, again same thing. NS manager object type t dot type and single object, which returns to the single object. We can say read one record. Same thing here. Whatever we did here, let fetch request equal to ns fetch request. The result is ns fetch request result. Entity type. The entity type is t dot description. And same thing. Follow if let cd school equal to try context fetch request, which is going to give you the single object. It gives you multiple, but we need to read one thing, which returns you the. Here we need to also set predicate, some condition. Okay, let us try that as well. Try. We also need to have a catch block. Catch print error here and return single record. We need to return cd schools. Actually, return cd schools at first. cd schools dot first record it returns. And here we also need to pass a record type so and so record I want with UID. I want to read a record with so and so UID from the so and so table. Okay, fetch request. Fetch request predicate. Predicate equal to ns predicate format. The format is percentile UUID equal to argument UID as C variable argument. Let it give you the clue. The C arguments, C variable argument. Here, what is this? Left type T must be unwrapped. What is which is giving you T written CD schools dot first CD schools. What is CD schools here? Which is giving you collection of T objects. From the T objects, I am returning first object if it is having first object. Otherwise, I'm not going to return anything. If the first object is not available, I'm just returning no school. Okay. Now, whenever we are adding student to this, at the end also return nil. Whenever we are adding student, here new student, you can ask CoreData manager dot shared dot read school dot UID. School dot UID and type is school right cd school dot self. That's it. What we are trying to do is we are also setting, we have come from particular school to the students. From students, we have moved to the add students view controller. Here, wherever I'm creating the object, I am also assigning the school. I am also assigning the school so that the school contains students now. We are telling student here you are belongs to so and so school. That is what we are trying to set here. What is this? To school, which gives you if current CD school equal to no school. I can set this way. Yes, it is. You need more practice. CoreData, read record. CoreData manager dot shared manager dot read record of type is this UID which we need to pass school dot UID and type is cd school dot self. That's what we did here. Let's more ambiguous. Value of type option must be unwrapped. Let me put it will not happen anyways. This will not happen. This will never happen. Keep that here. Yeah, perfect. What we are trying to do here is we are getting the school. We are taking the school from the database and assigning that to the student. Which school we are assigning? From which school we have come to add students we controller. That is what we are doing. Also, here in V controller, what we do is cell dot name we are displaying, right? Along with the name, what we do is we also display number of students. A school dot two students. Okay, here students, right? Yeah, let's display this first. Let us add students to particular school. There is already one student which is left without adding a school. Okay, let me remove the complete information, or else from the column campus I'm adding students. K1, age is 1, save, go back. In column it has come. In Chaitanya also the same thing has come. What we need to do? While fetching the information also, while fetching the records also, we need to ask database with so-and-so school, with so-and-so column school, if there are any students, fetch them. Now here, we are fetching all the information. Load data, what it is doing? It is fetching all the information. Now I want to load the information only particular to that school. Selected school lo, how many number of students are there? Those I want to read. Let me modify this method. Read at particular school. Read school UID. Which returns you the things. Fetch request, predicate. I don't know how to write the predicate. How to write this? NS. Here, right? Argument comes here, not in the generic type. Fetch request, NS, predicate, format. Here, name equal to so and so. Here, to school dot UID equal to, I'm just trying it. I don't know even how to write this. That UID as C where or maybe this works. What we are trying to do is I'm trying to read the information from the school. I'm trying to read the students whose school is matching with so and so UUID, matching with so and so school UUID. To school is a property which we are having in the CD school student. To school is a property. In this, I'm just checking. To school means CD school. CD school lo, who all are the students which is having same UID. School contains UID. I'm just checking if it is matching. Just pull the information. Just pull the information about the students who are part of so and so school UID. That's it. Let's try this. Read record at so and so school. Students V controller. Instead of directly reading, read record. Read records we can put. UID, school.uid, type is cd, student. Uh, yeah, sorry. What we need? CD students we need dot self. UID, if it is not available, UID. It should be there anyways. CD students here. If yes, CD students. Let me change the method name as well. Read records. Read UID. This is what we need, not read record, which returns you, or a read record which we need. The method which we used is wrong. Students be controller, not read record. Let cd students equal to CoreData manager dot shared manager dot read with UID. This is what we need, and this is not optional. Select enter thing, control I for indent. Command run. Kalan campus. In Kalan campus, there is only one student who is K1. Chaitanya, there are no students. Kids Castle, there are no students because we are pulling the information only related to the Kalan campus. CoreData is not very simple, straightforward way to understand. It needs more of practice. Okay. Even we tried covering within 2 hours, creating all the relationships, multiple tables, and the CRUD operations. In Kalan campus, I'm adding K2. Age is 2. Save. Go back. K2 is available here. Chaitanya, there are no students. C1 is the student name. Age is 1. Save it. Go back. C1 is part of only Chaitanya. C1 is not part of Kalam campus. Any doubts here?